In this video, we'll show you how to turn off parental controls on Roblox. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. First, open Roblox settings. If you're using a computer, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, go to the left side menu and click on Parental Controls. Here, you'll see if the parent PIN is enabled on your account. To disable parental controls, click the switch next to the PIN option. You will need to enter the PIN linked to your account. If you know the PIN, simply enter it and continue. If you don't know the PIN, you'll need to ask the person who created it to change the settings for you. After entering the correct PIN, parental controls will be turned off. Once the PIN is disabled, you can change your Roblox settings without entering it again. You can also check the privacy section to adjust other options, such as account restrictions and communication settings, which can affect how you use Roblox. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like.